I want to show you my favorite part, my favorite strategy rather, to find factors. Factors being the numbers we multiply to create a product, or the numbers that we multiply to find the answer in a multiplication equation. My favorite way is through drawing, of course, because I love to draw. So how can we find factors? Switch my marker here. How can I find factors using drawing of a rainbow? Our first number we're going to do is 12. And the factors are numbers we multiply to find that number. In a rainbow, we always start with 1 times that number, because that is a fact I know, and I know that I can't get any bigger than 12, so 12 is going to be the end of my rainbow. That is where we always start in creating our rainbow. Then I start thinking of the next number, 2. How many 2's fit into 12? I know 6 times 2 is 12, so I put 6. And I create my rainbow. Then I think of my next number in my order, 1, 2, 3. Well, I also know that 3 times 4 equals 12. So that's the next part of my rainbow, 3 times 4. So looking at my list, 1, 2, 3, because I'm on the other side of my rainbow with 4, I know that I'm done. I know that I haven't missed anything because I've checked all my numbers until I get to my other side of my rainbow. So what I call factor pairs is 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. And I found those by following my rainbows. Or I can say my factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are factor pairs because the two numbers go together, and these are factors in a list, but they all represent 12. And my rainbow helps me see them all. So let's try it with a bigger number. Again, we're trying to find the factors, the numbers we can multiply to create a product. And our product this time is 36. What numbers can we multiply to make 36? We always start with 1 in the number because 1 times 36 always gets me my number. So my first rainbow. Then I try my next one, 2. How many times does 2 go into 36? I might have to count my 2's because that's a fact. I know 2 times 10, 2 times 11 is 22, and I know 2 times 12 is 24, but I don't know a fact's bigger than that. So I'm going to count by 2's and see how many 2's fit into 36. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm using my fingers to keep track. That's 10. I'm only at 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 18. So 2 times 18, I'm going to redo that because it's too sloppy, too far away. I'm going to try that again. 18, 2 times 18 gets me another part of my rainbow. Let's try 3. Again, 3, I know 3 times 11 is 33. That's a trick I know. So that means 12 3's, because 11 times 3 is 33. I only need one more 3, that gets me 12. So 3 times 12 would be another pair. And my rainbow can help me keep track of that. Looking here, am I keeping 1, 2, 3? Let's try 4 next. Well, I know 4 times 9 because that's a fact that I know is next. And I can draw a rainbow. So my rainbow just should prove to me that 4 times 9 is 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Nope, that's not going to fit. And I know that because I know factors, multiples of 5 have to end in a 0 or a 5. This ends in a 6. This is not a factor. So I'm going to cross it off and ignore it because 5 is not a factor of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 didn't count. Let me try 6. Oh, I know. 6 times 6 is 36. I don't need to write the factor again. My rainbow is going to be kind of cool when they connect like this because I'm just going to go whoop, because 6 by 6 itself makes another part of my rainbow. So 6, oops, forgot to change my marker. 6 times 6 is 36. So these here are my factor pairs because there's 2 of them. To list my factors of 36, I'm just going to write down my list. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 did not work. I'm going to ignore that. 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. I knew I was done at 6 because my rainbow looped upon itself. There's nothing else to go. As soon as your rainbow touches the other side, then you're done. You know that you hit all your pieces. Factor rainbows are a great way to organize your thoughts in finding factors of different types of products.